Since 1978, people around the world have been enjoying tasty snacks from Snak King. The company has built a portfolio through the years of both private label and branded snacks, including pork rinds, potato chips, caramel corn, tortilla chips, and other tempting treats. With their business booming, Snak King was looking to further optimize its efficiency in throughput and labor and its facility in Freeport, Illinois. And one area that offered tremendous automation opportunities was in end-of-line packaging.
We wanted to become competitive in the workplace, and we had a very manual operation, which was very costly on the labor side. Going into using the ProMach automation allowed us to become competitive and being able to improve the pricing on headcount or reduction of headcount, and being able to have automation do some of that work.
Under the previous setup, Snak King relied heavily on forklifts to move wrapped pallets back and forth to the warehouse. This resulted in constant vehicle traffic operating in a tight facility, while also posing safety challenges to employees. Snak King turned to ProMach to help them devise a solution that would integrate automation into their end-of-line packaging. With 42 packaging-focused brands in its portfolio, ProMach's business model is one where it embraces collaboration among its brands to develop a solution that best meets the goals of its customers. Snak King originally reached out to Brenton, a ProMach brand, and after discussing the application and goals, Brenton chose to partner with Quest on the solution.
It wasn't just a Brenton solution, it wasn't just a Quest solution, it was a ProMach solution. And it was mainly out of what was the best fit for Snak King themselves.
The solution for Snak King involved robotics and autonomous vehicles to streamline its end-of-line packaging. After products are made, bagged, and placed into cases, those cases travel up an elevator where overhead conveyance from Zarpac, a ProMach brand, take them to one of 16 Quest Boxed Bot palletizers. The Boxed Bot is a space-saving, skid-based palletizer that features a long-reach FANUC robot to grab cases and create high-stack patterns. Stacked pallets then travel to an automatic stretch wrapper and then move into a holding area where they wait for Quest's Intelligent Autonomous Vehicle, or IAV, to the warehouse for shipping. Quest IAVs provide a smart, flexible solution to move product through a facility.
So the IAVs operate by a LiDAR-based system. The LiDAR is bouncing essentially light off of the walls or fixed objects to triangulate a position. That position is in a pre-programmed map, and the vehicles then travel that pre-programmed path, and we give them the signals to pick up and drop off when needed. And there's a centralized software called a command station that does all the vehicle allocation, decide what vehicle should go to what location.
So the ProMach solution is helping Snak King to be successful, where it's been able to streamline our process. The whole process is much quicker, it's less headcount, and we're able to be more productive with the people that we have.
When 3 pallets are wrapped and loaded in the queue, an IAV is called to come pick them up. When the IAVs are not moving product, they automatically retreat to a nearby charging station where they await their next pickup. Quest IAVs are engineered with multiple safety fields to ensure that the vehicle slows down or stops with respect to the distance of a person or object. This project has allowed Snak King to have one central point of contact, and that contact really serves as a one-stop, full-service provider by connecting all the ProMach brands together. This level of project management greatly streamlines the planning process, installation, and startup curve for packaging lines.
When you start a project with ProMach, we are driven towards customer outcomes. So we were able to look within the portfolio. We saw lots of different options available to us, and throughout the multiple brands we all came together and were able to come up with the best solution for this particular customer application.
ProMach, it's more than just a product and a price. It's a solution-based company that is trying to find out what's the best app or the best product to solve their application.
The IAVs are really cool to watch in operation. their ability to unload from the palletizer and then discharge the pallets on the offloading station. But it's really cool to watch them in transition as they're moving from point A to point B. The logic of how they work together is fantastic. Snak King has been very focused on optimizing their performance and the efficiencies. With ProMach solutions on their robotic palletizers, the IAVs, it's really provided exactly what we needed.